Configuring an IMAP email account in IncrediMail. This tutorial assumes you've already launched IncrediMail. To configure an IMAP email account, first click the Tools tab. Then click Email Accounts. Click the Add button. Check here to configure settings yourself, then click Next. Choose Other as the email account type you wish to set up. Enter the email address you want to configure and its password. Then click Next. Next, we have to configure our server settings. Ensure IMAP is selected as the server type. Then enter the incoming and outgoing server addresses here. Then click Next. Click OK. With the new account selected here, click the Properties button. Then click the Servers tab. Check here to require server authentication. Then click More Settings. Ensure it's set to use the same settings as your incoming server, then click OK. Click the Advanced tab. If you need to change your server port numbers, you can do so here. Otherwise, just click OK. Then click Close. That's it. The email account has been added. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to configure an IMAP email account in IncrediMail.